Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can update the phone number on your T account. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the very end. Now to change or update the phone number, you need to connect your account as I'm doing right now. For those who doesn't know how, simply go to Etsy, sign in and log into your account. It's very easy. Now once you are here, go to your account and this profile picture right here and go to account settings. So once you are in this area, you will have all this information from email, password, etc. But for those who want to add their own phone number, then it comes to security. So once you have security here, you have this over here, which is your mobile phone number. So here simply just choose your country code, and basically here simply just put the phone number that you want to use. So for example, I'm gonna put mine here real quick and I'll be right back. As you can see guys, your phone number has been updated and I have written it down, and once you write it down they will send you a code to this phone number so you can basically verify it. Now what if I want to update it? Then simply click on edit and here just put your new phone number. So here you need to confirm the phone number that you have currently, so simply just put here whatever phone number you have currently. So I'm gonna do the same here. And once you do that, you will be prompted to this page. So add your new phone number and we will send you a 6-digit code to verify your number. So simply just put here your new phone number. They will send you a 6-digit code, where you will have to copy and paste it in the next prompt, and then your phone number should be updated. Very simple and easily. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and leave a beautiful comment. See you guys in the next upcoming videos.